Check this out. I have a magnet in my hand. This is a real 1934 Henry Ford steel 5-window coupe. This is where it all started with the hot rods. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 collector cars all for sale. That's where you'll find the price tags on all of them, including this one. And each one also has a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is not the fiberglass replica. This is the real deal, folks. So it has an all steel hood, opens from either side, louvered hood. This is a really nice older build. It was built well. It's showing a little bit of signs of age. I'll point out some defects, but it's a nice car. And again, it's the real deal. So it's the 5-window coupe because it has this extra window versus a 3-window coupe. Wouldn't have this. It's never been chopped. It has the exposed hinges. That's kind of one way to tell a real car. The replicas don't have that. Suicide doors. So the body is really nice. No, all steel fenders too. This is the only fiberglass panel is the license plate apron here. All nice and clean. It's a trunk. Lines up square, flush. Body's excellent. Fenders are straight and clean. All nice lines. Lines up real nice. I don't know if you noticed, but that other door shut real nice. Let's see how this one does. That shuts really well too. Fits very nicely. Remember back in '34, they weren't built that well. The roof is all nice and straight, all nice, clean. So the body is excellent. I don't see any damage, bodywork, bubbling, rust, nothing like that. There are imperfections in the paint that you don't really see, but they're there. There are a lot of little bubbles on this door. Not rust because it's all over, some sort of contamination in the paint or something like that. There's the edge of the hood here is chipped up a little bit. It is smooth and glossy. A little touch up right there. A little chip right here. Where it rubs right here, the paint's a little chipped up. So like I said, some minor imperfections. Here's 2 little chips down here. But you're not going to see that. You're going to see a nice bright red glossy car. All the glass is in excellent shape. It has a built-in third brake light. It has the original style chrome door handles, a working lock only on the passenger side. Henry Ford thought it was safer if you're parked along the street to get out on this side so you don't get run over. Original style tail lights. Original style bumper. I'm going to say it's good. It's shiny and it does the job, but when you get up on it, the chrome is a little weak. Actual running boards you can stand on with the ribbed rubber, just like the originals. A lot of the little fiberglass coupes don't have fenders, don't have running boards, or they have the remote poppers for the door. This is different. This is, again, the real thing. Full fendered car, door handles. I really like that a lot. Sitting on some really nice chrome torque thrust wheels, fatter, wider in back, so it gives it a nice hot rod stance. It has electric wipers. The chrome grille, the chrome's a little tarnished. There's a little Ford emblem that we have coming for that. This is just a bug screen that's removable if you wanted. Front bumper is like the back bumper. There's some imperfections in the chrome. Looks good the way it is. The wheels are sparkling like they're new though. Let's open it up. I'll show you what's inside. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new videos are posted. So just like the doors, it has the chrome handle for the trunk. It does have some gas struts that open it up. It's upholstered in here, and it looks like someone airbrushed the scenery on the back panel. Here's a master disconnect for the battery. I assume the battery is behind one of these panels here. Under the side of the lid is upholstered too. If you want to be texted when new arrivals hit our website, text the word new to 844-592-2431. Now these are the suicide doors. They open backwards. but there's a deadbolt latch. There's a handle there that will lock the door once you're inside, so it won't ever fly open on you. Original style handles. And check this out. Watch the window right here. If you roll it backwards, it goes back a couple inches for smoking. You roll it the other way, it rolls down. That's an actual genuine 1934 Ford feature. Now inside, the dash is painted red. It has a billet instrument panel with all blue digital gauges. Nice billet glove box door. Probably not much room in there now because they have the AC. Now our cars all get multiple page inspection. The front page isn't filled out because it gets re-inspected before the car leaves. Interior light works. The AC unit is neatly installed. It's all carpeted very nicely. Original style, like this is what the 34 would have looked like, you know, with the little buttons and the pleats and the gray fabric. So they tried to keep it original. So in my opinion, this isn't dated. It's kind of what the original would have looked like. There is a stereo system right here behind this, and there's a remote so you don't have to turn around. Headliner is all upholstered to match the seats. And then we have a tilt column with a leather Lucara steering wheel. Chrome e-brake on the floor. It's got seat belts. So I bought this from a local collector that we've done business with for decades. He's not a dealer. He's owned this car for several years. It's a performance-built 350 motor. Does have aluminum heads. Does have an aluminum Edelbrock that's been painted red like the car. Edelbrock carburetor. HEI ignition system. Red wires are run neatly. And it has some nice like porcelain-coated exhaust manifolds. And then up front we got a chrome Power Master alternator. Overflow bottle. Trying to see if that's aluminum. It's a Walker radiator with a shroud. Stainless steel hose. Then over on this side, pretty much the same, but we have an air conditioning system over here. And the hoses and heat, and it's all run neatly. The firewall is smooth, painted up nicely. So underneath the car is all red. The body was off the frame. It is a 34 Ford frame. That was all painted. The underbody is all clean metal. It's all painted red. But again, it was a number of years ago. It's been driven, so it's not brand new, but it's all nice and clean. All the front end is all chrome. It's got a tubular drop axle, tubular trailing arms, steering components, shocks, all that is chromed. In back it has leaf springs and shocks. Got a custom gas tank, of course. A nice stainless steel dual exhaust system with glass pack style mufflers. And there's stainless steel as well, polished actually. There's a power brake booster and master under the car, disc brakes in front. E-brake assembly is hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The transmission is an overdrive automatic, looks like a 700 R4, extra capacity finned aluminum pan, as well as oil coolers, external oil coolers, custom drive shaft, looks like a Ford 9-inch rear in the back. So this is a really nice older build, but it's a genuine 34 Ford steel body coupe. If you go to a show, there'll be others there. There'll be fiberglass. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman about your questions. They'll help get this car delivered to your door, and they'll help you with the financing. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.